Hello bestie dolls and kids, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and like this video. In this video I'm going to be showing you very detailedly how to revive my frontal lace wig. So this is the before of the wig. The wig has been packed down, unwashed, and I'm going to go through it to show you all like what's really going on with it. So as you can see, the frontal is kind of like clumped up. You can't go through it or anything. The hair, it needs to be washed. It's still soft and everything, but really we need to bring this frontal back to life. And then I want some brighter highlights, so we're gonna do that and everything. So I'm going in and I'm gonna show y'all more detail of the frontal and everything. As you can see, the little glue right there, y'all see it's clumped up. We're gonna fix that, okay? I'm just showing y'all each side of the frontal, how it really look, and that this frontal is not dead. It can be brought back to life. So that is what we're gonna do. So let's get up into this video. All right, stay tuned. I'm gonna show y'all how to get it done. Here is a close-up of how the frontal look. Y'all see all the clumped up glue? Okay, we finna fix that right now. I have the frontal glued down with T-pins. And now I'm gonna go in with my tweezers to carefully pluck the glue away. I said carefully. You wanna be careful when you're plucking your frontal because you can easily rip the inside, and once you do that, I don't know what to tell you. So you want to be careful with doing this method. I did this method because I wanted to get as much glue off of my frontal as possible, and this method right here is very time consuming. So if you have the patience, go for it. You can easily take the glue off with conditioner, but I did not do that because I have did that before, and it's not going to really clean your frontal. It's really going to turn the glue white, and it's going to cause the glue in your frontal to become clumpy. So that's why I went in with this plucking method. Okay, this is the frontal plucked and clean. And y'all see the difference, the before and the after, how clean this frontal is. I'm going to be using the conditioner at the very top of my frontal to help me detangle the hair and the glue from each other without me pulling out too much hair from my frontal. So in this part of the video, I'm going to section off the entire back part of the wig because our main focus here is the frontal. So what I'm going to be doing is bleaching the frontal with the products that I showed you, the lightening powder and the 50 volume developer. What I didn't show on screen, but you just mix the powder and the volume developer together if you don't know. So I'm going in and just bleaching, making sure when you bleach, you want to make sure that you get thoroughly the front and back so that the bleach can go all the way through. That's why you see me massaging the hair in right here. And then I'm going to take some aluminum foil because I want this step to be very quickly. So I take the aluminum foil, and what the aluminum foil do is speeds up the bleaching process. And I'm going to repeat the entire method until the entire frontal is covered. Now I'm going to take in the permanent dye that I showed at the beginning clip. I'm going to go through and dye all of my roots right here. And when you're doing this, you want to make sure that your dye is seeking through the entire parts of the hair. So you want to brush, and then if you have a comb, just get a comb and make sure that the color is seeking through really good. The products that I just showed in the previous clip, I'm going to take those products and I'm going to start toning up that yellowish blonde color that you see here. So what those products are going to do is give me the color that I'm seeking after. So once you do this process, you want to be sure not to mix in the brown permanent dye with the toner, because if you do, you're going to get this really pink reddish color. And so to save yourself from the hassle, make sure that you're being really careful mixing in these colors. I did not, so I had to redo this whole entire process over. So like I said, be very careful when you're doing this step. And I went into the back that you all saw me section off in the earlier clip in this video to tone up the yellowish as well. After all the product is all over the area of my desire, I'm going to take the wig and I'm going to wash it and come back and show you all the finished product. And this is the wig washed, plucked, cleansed of all of the glue that was on it, and gentle care maintenance of it. Don't let nobody tell you that your wig cannot be revived, because it can, especially if it ain't been too damaged, and probably still so that. If you like this video, give this video a like, comment down below. Let me know if you want to see more video tutorials like this. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye for now.